that's how we're looking.
Yeah, 4, just requesting a status check. How you guys looking?
Perfect. We are just doing our last hover check here. I think we have good power to move into the spot. We're going to be lowering our rescue somewhere. Probably picking up 2 survivors, going to the LZ to drop them off, and then come back for the next 2.
Just going down. Let's come easy forward as I put them down.
Alright, easy forward.
Alright, hold.
Measure.
Easy forward.
Easy forward.
Easy forward.
Easy.
Easy forward.
Easy.
Easy forward.
Easy.
Hold.
Measure.
We're trying to take the load.
Measure.
Take the load. Let's have easy left.
Easy left.
Pull in 88.
Measure.
Alright, hold.
Measure, hold.
Alright, that's about to get halfway up.
Measure.
Roger, that's the door. We're going to drag her in right now.
Roger. I was good, pulling 88 still.
Gotcha, thank you.
Probably take 1 more, I'm guessing, and then have to go drop off.
Gotcha.
That's bad, dude.
Perfect, thank you.
Alright, he's above the roof. You can come easy back if you'd like.
Okay, quick easy back.
Easy, let's come easy back so we'll have some tension on the line.
Okay. Let me know when you want me to hold.